Hello Primary 6. In these videos we're gonna revise the lessons we studied throughout the term. First lesson, the set of integers. The main points. There are some sets we studied before, like the set of counting numbers, and it starts with 1, 2, 3 and so on. This set is used to count stuff, like the number of chairs, the number of students and so on. Next we have the set of natural numbers. We studied before. The natural numbers are all the positive numbers of the whole numbers, like 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on, and the 0. So the natural number n equals set 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Today's set is called the set of integers, and it is we use the z to represent it. The set of integers is composed of the negative numbers like -1, -2, -3 and so on, the 0, and the positive numbers 1, 2, 3 and so on. So the z is z negative union 0 union z positive. Z negative is the negative numbers, -1, -2, -3 and so on. Z positive is the positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. The natural number is the set 0 union z positive equals the natural number. The set of non-positive integers is the negative numbers and the 0. So z negative union 0, 0, -1, -2, -3 and so on. The set of non-positive integers, sorry, the set of non-negative integer, it is written incorrectly. So the set of non-negative integers is the z positive union 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Remember these remarks. Z negative is a subset from the set of integers, from the z. Z positive is a subset of z. 0 is a subset of natural number. Z positive is a subset of z. N is a subset of z. 0 is neither positive nor negative number. 0 doesn't belong to z positive and it does not belong to z negative. The set of odd integers are the odd number, whether they are positive or negative. So 1, 3, 5 and so on, and -1, -3 and -5. The set of even integers is the same. The even numbers, whether they are positive or negative. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and -2, -4, -6 and so on. Okay, now let's solve some exercises on the lesson. Put belongs to, doesn't belong to, subset and not subset. So -2 is a number in the natural number. No, it's not. So we use doesn't belong to or is not subset to. The -2 is a number, it's not a set. So we use the doesn't belong. The next. -3. -3 is a number inside the z or not? Yes, it is. So can we use subset or belongs to? -3 is a number, it's not a set. So we use belongs to. Okay, next we move to other exercise. Complete. Z equals, we know the set is the negative numbers, so z negative union 0 union z positive. Okay, next. Z minus n. We want everything inside the z except the n, except the natural number. So we have z negative. Next, z negative is, what is the relation of the negative numbers with the natural number? There is no relation between them. So z negative is not subset of n. We use subset here because the z negative is a set. It's not just one number. Set equals n union, what? N is the natural number. It has the positive numbers and the 0. So what is the missing part of the set of integers? The negative numbers. So z n union z negative equals z. You move on to the next exercise. True or false? 0 belongs to Z negative. True or false? It's false. Why? Because the 0 is not a positive number and it's not a negative number. Next one. Z positive union natural number equal Z positive. Right or wrong? Wrong, because Z positive union natural number is the natural number, so it's false, because the Z positive doesn't have the 0 and the natural number has the 0 in it. Next, phi equals Z negative intersection Z. What is the common part between the negative numbers and the set of integers? It's the common between them is the negative numbers, so phi is not the right answer, so it's false. And we end our lesson today with this much, and we complete with the next lessons. Thank you.